Lovelace Respiratory Research Institute is a 67-year-old not-for-profit biomedical research institute. We concentrate on respiratory disease research, and we are a basic science organization. There is no such other entity in the country. We are unique in that we have our unusual combination of original discovery research combined with practical FDA-driven drug development. And lastly, we have a wide variety of unusual infrastructure capabilities that allow us to deal with chemical, biological, and nuclear threats, and to do so under conditions of FDA compliance. The Institute maintains two large campuses, one on Kirtland Air Force Base. At the South Campus, we maintain breeding colonies of canine models, non-human primates, ferrets, and many other species. Having the security of a Air Force base where the public cannot get on the campus is very beneficial to our business model and for our clients. Of particular interest at the South Campus is our ability to handle exposures of very toxic materials to large animal models, such as non-human primates, and to do so under conditions where we can have large numbers of individuals in one experiment. We also have gamma scintigraphy imaging capabilities. We do a lot of both animal model and human studies where we're able to trace the deposition of drugs that are delivered by inhalation and follow their migration through the body in real time. The Institute's especially known for our asthma research. We have probably the most popular animal asthma model in the country right now, which are high IgE producing canine colony that is used by numerous pharmaceutical and biotech companies to test the safety and efficacy of their compounds. We're able to undertake exposures to animal models of a type not possible anywhere else in the country. We expose animals to environmental toxins such as cigarette smoke or coal-burning power plant exhaust. And we have a wide variety of technical capabilities for generating aerosols, not only dangerous materials or toxic materials, but beneficial materials, drugs delivered by aerosol inhalation, and even preventative agents that are being developed to prevent respiratory and other diseases. We also have quite an extensive analytical and bioanalytical chemistry program. We have a number of chemists on staff and do a great deal of ADME-PK work for our clients. The ability to develop protocols to analyze and quantitate low volumes of new drug entities is particularly useful to our clients that are having us formulate their pharmaceuticals. And lastly, we do a great deal of defense research, and we've developed animal models and infrastructure to develop countermeasures to biological, chemical, and nuclear threats. Our biosafety laboratory is large, has 2 animal exposure suites and 6 animal holding facilities. The BSL-3 facilities are very unusual in the complexity of the inhalation capabilities that we've developed. We're able to formulate dangerous materials, create an aerosol, and expose large numbers of large animal models at the BSL-3 level. The Institute has a varied mix of funding sources. We have over 250 individual clients at any one time. These range from small biotech companies to small pharmaceutical companies, commercial firms. We also have a large amount of funding from the federal government. We were one of the 7 famous clinics to come out of the Second World War, Oxnard and Mayo and Cleveland, and Lovelace was one of them, and it was founded here in the 1940s in Albuquerque. New Mexico is a superior place to live. A lot of our employees and our professionals in particular also appreciate the fact that it's It's an urban environment, but it's a small urban environment where sort of the overhead of life is very low. It's easy to get around, a lot of outdoor activities, a lot less stress. The schools are good and close. It's an ideal place for our professionals in particular to move to. We've had a lot of luck attracting folks from all around the world. It's very rewarding to me as president of our company to see practical benefits of the research that we undertake. Many scientists, perhaps the majority of scientists in the Western world, never have the opportunity to follow the development of an idea through a clinical application that actually affects the public health. And almost all of our work is really focused on affecting the public health, and much of it actually does.